These four are very common: uveitis, conjunctivitis, keratitis, and glaucoma. All red eyes are, remember, medical emergencies. So you have to refer urgently to the ophthalmology. A lot of questions in PLAB exam have this history, being in a dark room or in a movie theater. We are going to discuss this topic initially, and we will correlate this topic with acute angle closure glaucoma, conjunctivitis, keratitis, scleritis. All these are interrelated and all these carry one particular common symptom, that is red eye. Red eye is very common in ophthalmology questions, and you will get a lot of questions with red eye symptoms, and sometimes we find it very difficult or a bit confusing to differentiate among the causes of red eye in PLAB-1 questions. So we will at first learn what are the diseases that are associated with red eye. Let's see. So there are a few causes that frequently appear in PLAB-1 exam with red eye, and we will learn a mnemonic to memorize the diseases that are associated with red eye. The mnemonic is G-suck. G-suck. This is the mnemonic for red eye. Remember, for PLAB-1 there are a lot more causes of red eye, but for PLAB-1 we need to remember these things. Okay, G for glaucoma, S for scleritis, U for uveitis, C for bacterial conjunctivitis, and K for keratitis. K for keratitis. All right. So G-suck, glaucoma, scleritis, uveitis, bacterial conjunctivitis. Remember the word bacterial, and K for keratitis. These are the causes of red eye. All right. And now we need to differentiate between all these causes. All of them will have red eye. So how do we differentiate in between them? Let's see. At first, bacterial conjunctivitis. Okay, I'm going to give you some clinchers that we need to pick up from the stem in the question paper, and as soon as you see those clinchers, you will be sure that this question is associated with this disease. For bacterial conjunctivitis, what is the clincher? It will have sticky purulent discharge from the eyes. Okay, sticky purulent discharge. All right, this is for bacterial conjunctivitis, sticky purulent discharge. You have red eye, you have sticky purulent discharge, difficulty in opening the eyes in the morning. You're sure that this is bacterial conjunctivitis for PLAB-1. And what's the management? We will learn gradually about the management of bacterial conjunctivitis. We might go for conservative management, just eye care, or if it's more than 7 days, we might need an antibiotic called chloramphenicol. We'll learn that later. Okay, now uveitis. Uveitis. What's the clincher for uveitis? Okay, remember the word pupil. Pupil here will be either distorted or irregular. Acute anterior uveitis. These are the clinchers. All other symptoms are same: red eye, pain. You will have these in uveitis, glaucoma, might be in keratitis. But Look for pupil. Shape of the pupil will be irregular or distorted or constricted. Constricted. Look for either one of these in the question describing pupil. You will definitely have the description of pupil in the question, okay? So look for any of these.